Welcome back Bitcoin World Crypto channel. Friends, today we discuss another project which name is Stable Blockchain Ecosystem. Stable Blockchain Ecosystem's token ticker is SBC. SBC is ERC20 based token. Here we discuss different modern blockchain problems: high transfer fee, conversion of one crypto asset to another, long verification of a transaction, insufficient anonymity of transaction, separation of financial accounting, impossible to convert funds instantly with minimal loss. You can download their white paper and can read full detail of the project, and this is tokenomics detail. You can click on it and can watch full detail. Read here creation of the stable blockchain ecosystem. Our goal is to make cryptocurrencies convenient, intuitive and simple while demonstrating the importance and usefulness of this tool for any financial institution. For this we are going to establish our own cryptocurrency ecosystem named stable blockchain, which will be not just a tool for handling cryptocurrencies but also a means of investment. The user will be able to earn stable interest from stable blockchain coin token to their balance. Naturally, the implementation of such a project will require significant preparation, a large investment of resources, financial labor and technical. Our ecosystem will need to include a list of services to solve the problems: stable blockchain wallet, stable blockchain swap, stable blockchain card, stable blockchain loan. These are the key features of their project. Stable blockchain wallet, safe storage of use funds that meets both banking security standards and modern encryption standard. Our team developed an infrastructure of secure cryptocurrency storage, our own warm and hardware cryptocurrency wallet named Stable Blockchain Wallet SBW. This was the detail of Stable Blockchain Wallet, and here you can read project development. At the first stage, the project expanded its financial base of development and attracts investor by offering stable blockchain coin SBC token. Initially, the project development is funded by a group of microfinance organizations that annually serve over 80,000 people. Their financial activities cover the territory of the CIS, Asia and South Africa. And this is the detail of 0.3% of stable blockchain coin holder. 0.3% is proffered to the company that issued the loan. 0.4% goes to the development of the stable blockchain ecosystem. They will launch their iOS and Android wallet, and later they will develop a browser extension with the user has access to information about the number of SBC tokens in the wallet, exchange rates, estimated profit and the end of the month, and the buy, selling, sending, receiving, investing, converting fund. App development on all existing platforms: iOS, Android, Mac, Windows and Linux, as well as web interface to manage buying, selling, sending, receiving, investing, converting funds. The detail of distribution of stable blockchain coin. Stable blockchain coin is built on ERC20 based token. Total issue is in numbers. The token can't be reissued. One SBC token costs $0.1, and this is the diagram with the data on the token distribution. The ICO hard cap of 10 million will ensure the stable development of the project within 2 years and allow the build ecosystem that independent of the size of user transfer fees. Due to the ICO, the project will able to quickly expand the lending market in some regions not only paying investors a monthly profit but also funding development of the stable blockchain ecosystem as well as the release of the entire range of tools for handling cryptocurrency assets. And these are team members of blockchain project. And this is roadmap details spring 2021, creating a financial model of SBL ecosystem, building an experienced team, legal registration of the token. Summer 2021, creating a project website, pre-sale, bounty launch. The ICO launch in August 2021, and it is spring 2022, stable blockchain swap launch, stable blockchain card testing, estimated launch date in July 2022. Release of SPW, a hardware cryptocurrency wallet. That's all about the project. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.